My kids are complaining about being bored, and they really miss the library story time, and so do I.
Well, I think I know someone who can help you with that. Don't worry, Beamer. I'll tell them. What you want is dial a story.
Y'all story? What's that?
Dial a Story is a service offered by the York County Library. You'll hear stories for adults, teens, and children, as well as music and songs, poetry, jokes and riddles, history, tidbits, trivia, and more. Call the library's Dial a Story phone line at 803-620-8585. You can also listen online at yclibrary.org/dial-a-story.